Welcome back, guys. So today we're here with Unice here again. This is the packaging, same packaging as usual. Got the wig, pair of wig caps, some elastic band, hedge brush and comb, and that's everything that came in the box. Now this is the gorgeous wig of the day. This is Unice's Bye Bye Knots Glueless wig, 7x5 pre-cut lace closure, espresso brown with highlights. They say loose wave human hair, put on and go wig. It's pre-pluck, pre-bleach, invisible knots, 180% in density. As you can see, it has a curve at the ear portion. There's an adjustable elastic band. It is also 22 inches long, and inside the construction looks really good. This came basically pre-styled. These curls were so soft and silky. Went ahead and slipped it right on. This is definitely one of the ultimate beginner friendly put on and go wig. As you can see, it's super snug. I have to give you guys a shake test. It's not moving. Okay, it's done so beautifully. So I only cut off just that tiny strip in the front there that had absolutely no hair on it to minimize the cast that you can see, and then I further camouflage that with some face powder. You guys know the drill after doing this step. Once I was done with fixing the front, I pretty much got my hot comb, as you can see, and I really didn't need to go in any further with the hot comb, but I'm somewhat of a perfectionist when it comes onto my hair looks or just overall, like, so I went in with my hot comb just to get it even flatter at the top. You know, we are wearing a wig, yes, but that doesn't mean it needs to look like one. Okay, so this is definitely one of those wigs that look very realistic and very believable. Also, I feel like for this summer, guys, we can't be doing anything really more than glueless wigs if we're gonna do a wig. Like, have you guys felt the heat outside? There's a whole heat wave here in America. It's crazy. Like, it's hot. So I get it, sis. Like, it's not the time to be confined to a wig. So these wigs come in clutch, easy, quick, fix up and go, and there's minimal shedding on this wig. As you guys can see, I just did a little shed test and it wasn't a lot of strands coming out. Maybe 2 or 3 came out in my hand and that was it. But guys, look at this. It looks like it's fully installed with adhesive. It is so laid and flawless. No, I didn't even have to go in and fix a curl. I was just amazed. You guys can see my face. Like, I was just amazed with the quality. It is, as I said, super silky, super soft. Like, the color job is beautiful. Definitely giving summertime vibe. Clock it, yeah. No, it's definitely giving summertime vibe, and I love that for us. Like, you are guaranteed quality with this wig right here. Okay, and it's really nice and full. Okay, and look, I'm still giving you guys that glueless test to show you that there's absolutely no adhesive. This wig is full. Okay, I was amazed to hear that, is to see that it's 180% in density, because it's giving at least 200. It's really nice. Look at that, the color, gorgeous. So of course, you guys know I'm always gonna try to give you, you know, variety with the looks if possible. So I went in and was just showing you guys that there's a good amount of parting space. It is a 7x5 closure, so you could go ahead and switch up the parting. I'm showing you guys just a flip over vibe here. Look at that. It's giving Jessica Rabbit. I find that a flip over look or a side part is just so classy, so timeless. When you want to amp things up and be more elegant, you can't go wrong with a side part look. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. So shout out to Unice. They know what they were doing when they did this. Again, I didn't have to do anything to fix a curl. The curls were holding up really, really nicely, so I have to give it to them. They knew exactly what they were doing when they were constructing this wig. I was just having too much fun though. Look at me posing. Yeah, it was it was I'm cracking up my own self now. But yeah, so now for the final look. So that was look number 2. Now for the final look with this wig, I decided to just leave like some bangs out in the front, and you know, it's an updo option. This is not a new one, but like I find that this is also very nice and classy yet simple. You know, it's giving soft girl, it's giving soft life. You get a claw clip, you just gather the hair in the back and pretty much just put it up. That's it. How much more beginner friendly can it really get, guys? Tell me, because it really doesn't get any easier than this, you know. Like, truly, it is a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. It feels good, it looks good. You listen, yeah, clock it. But yeah, so that's it for today's wig though. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. Shout out to Unice for this gorgeous look. Okay, yeah, all the specifications will be in my description box as well. If there any deal going on, you know it's summertime, I will be sure to list it, so please check it out down below. If there is any discount code, any sale going on, it will be written down below. Okay, but yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, like this video, share this video, and stay tuned for my next looks. Until then, just go out and make up on yourself. Bye.